Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Salad spinner. Quick, convenient. Generous 5-quart capacity allows for larger batches of salad preparation. Wash and spin dry salad greens, fruits, and vegetables effortlessly. User-friendly. The easy-to-use spin knob on the lettuce spinner allows for quick and efficient action. Conveniently add and drain water to the washing bowl without the need to remove the securely locking lid. Safety stability. Non-skid base keeps the spinner bowl stable and prevents any unwanted movement and mess when prepping salads. Versatile spinner bowl. The clear washing bowl doubles as a serving bowl when the strainer is removed, adding versatility to your kitchen tools. Generous lifetime warranty. Backed by a lifetime warranty, guaranteeing long-lasting performance and customer satisfaction. Griddler. Superior performance. Cuisinart's 5-to-1 Griddler is a contact grill, panini press, full griddle, and half grill/half griddle. Easy to use. The Griddler plates, 11-inch x 9-inch, are removable, reversible, and are dishwasher-safe non-stick cooking plates. The plates also act as a drain for the grease for cooking more healthy. The integrated drip tray collects grease and is easy to store. Also included, red/green indicator lights for easy operation, dishwasher-safe scraping tool for easy cleanup, and an instruction manual with gourmet recipes for you to enjoy. Custom control. Sturdy panini-style handle with hinged floating cover adjusts to thickness of food. Selector knob choose grill or griddle function, and the adjustable temperature controls for grill or griddle. Hand mixer. Superior performance. The Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-speed hand mixer has 220 watts of power with automatic feedback, including smooth start feature with 3 low mixing speeds that eliminates splattering. Must-have features. 1-step power switch with 9-speed LED display. Easy to use. Simple on-off button. 1-touch speed control with 9 speed options. Extremely easy to store away and dishwasher-safe parts. Includes beaters, chef's whisk, dough hooks, spatula, instructions/recipe book, and sturdy snap-on case to store mixer and accessories. Limited 3-year warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA-free. Digital measuring spoon. High precision for accurate measurements. Achieve unparalleled accuracy with our digital measuring spoon, designed for meticulous cooks and pet owners. This advanced food measuring scoop scale precisely measures from 1G up to 800G, with a minimal margin of error of just 1G. Ideal for ensuring consistent portioning of cooking ingredients or pet food. Versatile 5 measurement units. Our food measuring scoop scale transcends traditional scales by offering 5 different measurement units: grams G, milliliters ml, cups, fluid ounces, FLOs, and ounces AUS. Kitchen shears. All-purpose kitchen scissors. Heavy-duty H super sharp kitchen shears, valued 2-pack in 1 set, comfort grip handles. Great all-purpose scissors for kitchen, household, home, car, outdoor general use. Great kitchen utensil set for women, men, adults, older kids. Stainless steel sharp blades. High-quality hardened stainless steel blades easily cut through cardboard, twine, food, meat, vegetables, chicken, poultry, fish, herbs, seafood, BBQ, food packing bags, and more. Great as food scissors, meat scissors, cooking scissors, scissors kitchen, cooking shears, poultry scissors, utility scissors, meat cutting scissors. Comfort grip handle. Potento ricer. Mashing potatoes made easy. Don't you wish you can create perfectly smooth and fluffy mashed potato with less effort? With our Priority Chef Ricer Masher kitchen tool, you can achieve a creamy, heavenly dish quickly and conveniently. Simply squeeze on the long handle of our potato press for perfect mash. Large deep basket for quicker ricing. Holding a max capacity of 15 ounces, 3 mm ricer holes, you will have your mashed potatoes prepared quicker yet finer output than using other kitchen gadgets. You can also use it for other veggies like soft carrots, turnips, yams, and even use a baby food masher. Anti-slip, cushioned long handles for easy leverage. Our potato ricer's long, easy grip silicone handle allow comfortable leverage while you mash, rice, and mill. No more sore or tired arms, just perfect results every time. Electric can opener. Effortless can opening. Hands-free operation. Smoothly opens cans with minimal effort. Easy operation. Open almost any cans with our electric can opener. Press the button to start. Cuts cleanly along the side of cans, leaving smooth edges. Press the button again to stop. Thoughtful gift idea. A practical and versatile gift for family and friends. Suitable for kitchen enthusiasts and anyone seeking convenience. Smooth edge design. The blade cuts along the side of the can, reducing food contact, prevents spills and leaves smooth, rounded edges. User-friendly design. Ergonomic design allows for strain-free use. Ideal for elderly individuals and those with limited hand strength. Turkey baster. Ideal baster for cooking. Impress your family with a juicy, meaty feast at a family, Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner with our durable turkey baster syringe. Its stainless steel construction allows you to dip the baster in even the hottest meals, while the silicone bulb remains cool to touch, heat-resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Maximum suction power. Our easy-to-hold silicone baster bulb is designed to provide perfect grip. With one single press, you can fill up the 5.5 ounces dripless baster with liquid, ready to add more flavor to your meal. Easy TO clean. Cleaning up is a breeze by simply detaching the blasting bulb from syringe, using our included cleaning brush to remove any particle. Our blazing syringe is also completely dishwasher safe. Hand mixer. Better than your grandma's dough blender, solid pastry tool for cutting cold butter into flour or sugar when making fresh, homemade baked goods. Sturdy and durable dough kneader with metal blades that are twice as thick as some others. Wow the crowd with impressive results. Get ready for better texture and taste from all of your baked goods. Make flakier and fluffier biscuits, pie crust, pizza dough, scones, pastries, and more. You'll be amazed at how quickly this tool works to get uniform pieces of butter mixed in flour, which creates a better, yummier end product. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Cast iron burner. Easy to clean. 6.5-inch and 5-inch cast iron flat cooking plates are non-stick and easy to clean with a damp cloth or non-abrasive sponge. Adjustable temperature. Quickly reach and sustain the desired low, medium, or high heat settings with the variable temperature knob to keep food warm or boil hot water. Built-in safety. Dual power indicator lights on the front of the burner remind users when the item is powered on. Non-skid feet ensure the burner remains stable during use. Compact and portable. The compact size of the burner makes it an easily accessible item to take on the go wherever an extra cooking device is needed, at school, office, camping trips, or home. Electric fondue pot. Versatile fondue experience. Enjoy a wide variety of fondue recipes with our electric fondue pot set. Create delicious desserts or savory appetizers with ease, making it an ideal choice for entertaining guests or spending quality time with family. All-inclusive set. This set has everything you need for a successful fondue night, including 6 color-coded fondue forks, a support ring, and a 1.5-quart electric fondue pot. Safe and convenient. Keep fondues at the ideal temperature by adjusting the blue-lit temperature control dial. Use the cool touch side handles for safe and easy handling while moving the removable fondue pot.